Good morning everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Samir. Right now I'm at Rovaniemi in Finland. In this video I will show you how I commute to the Santa Claus Village, what are the facilities over there, because I've booked a one-night stay at the Santa Claus Village itself. What are the activities? All those informations I will share with you all in this video. Right now I have checked out from my hostel, which is Hostel Tika here in Rovaniemi, and I will be taking the bus to go to Santa Claus Village. When in Rovaniemi, I highly recommend to stay in Hostel Tika because of many obvious reasons. This is the hostel, and reason number one is it has a supermarket right next to it. So in winter, obviously you don't want to walk long distance to do your grocery, so this is going to help you. And the second most important reason, it is also right next to the bus stop. There is the bus stop. In less than a minute you will reach your hostel. This is the neighborhood. You need to be very careful when walking on the street because it can be very slippery. You can slip and damage your bone. Here there is bus number 8 which goes around the city all the way till the Arctic Circle. It stopped just next to the Hostel Tika. So there's a bit of a problem here now because I just realized there's no bus at between 12 to 2:35. Right now it's 12:30. It also says 12:45 here. So I'm not so sure if 12:45 is going to reach the Arctic Circle or if it's going to stop here at my bus stop. So what I'm going to do is I'll wait here for another 30 minutes. If the bus didn't show up, I'll walk it up. So that is one more good reason to stay at Hostel Tika, is because the Santa Claus Village is literally 25 minutes walk from here. Okay, so from their website, which is linkkari.fi or FL, I'll share their website link in the description. From here you can actually find out bus timings and schedule and plan your journey. You only have to put your current location and the destination, and it will recommend you which bus to take and what time is the bus arriving. So I found out that in next 10 minutes this bus is going to come here, same stop that I'm standing at, and it will drop me to the Santa Claus Village at 17 minutes past 1 o'clock. Okay, I can see the bus has arrived. That's bus number 8, which will take me to the Santa Claus Village. Hello, Santa Claus Village. Welcome to the Santa Claus Village. I just arrived here. It was a quick 10 minutes ride from my hostel. Right now I'm at the reception. I need to find out the entrance of the Santa Claus Village stay, because there I have a one-night stay. My check-in will start at 4 p.m. Right now it's 1 p.m. I had sent them a request asking them for an early check-in. Depending on the availability, they might consider my request, so I need to find out that. But for now, I'm loving the ambience over here. It's gloomy and lit up, and a lot of people over here, a lot of activities to enjoy. We'll explore all of this today throughout the day. First thing, let me go and find out my beautiful chalet. The Santa Claus Village stay, we're staying one night. Where is the reception for that?
It is here. 23. Give me a second. Do you need Santa Claus Holiday Village reception?
Yeah.
Yes, it is here. This one.
Where are we now? We are
here.
So I go out from here.
Out to right.
As you can see, the Santa Claus Village is so beautiful, so cute, cozy and Christmassy. I can't wait to go and check in my hotel, leave my bags and come back here and explore the entire village. Oh my god, I don't know if the camera can justify the real beauty of this place. You would really want to come here and see it by yourself. Hello. Hi. I have a one-night stay here. Malik Samir. M-A-L-I-K.
Samir.
Yeah.
And your room is ready.
Oh wow.
Beautiful.
Thank you very much. Just now I got my room keys. Right now I'm in front of the Santa Claus Village, which is right next to the Santa Claus Park. My villa is villa number 33. I'm pretty excited to go and explore it because it has a lot of good facilities such as a sauna in it. The package includes breakfast, complimentary breakfast, which starts from 7 till 10 in the morning. These villas are expensive, but the facilities that they offer and the experience itself is worth it. They also have a lot of activities lined up for you, which are paid, not included in the package. You can book them from the safari counter, which is right next to the reception. I will see what all activities I can cover up for today. But for now, let's get inside the Santa Claus Village and find my villa. Let's go. Welcome to my mansion for one night. And let me just give you guys a quick tour of this beautiful villa that I have here at Santa Claus Village. Right on my right hand side, there is a very small tiny kitchen with a stove, and they have all the basic utensils available as well. And once you cook your delicious meal, it's time to come to this dining table, enjoy your meal while overviewing this beautiful view. And if you're tired, have a relaxation at this couch while enjoying the show on the TV. I like the concept that the TV is right on top of the bed, because while you're sleeping, you don't want to watch TV, but wake up with this beautiful view. Did you know that the sauna was invented here in Finland? And guess what? I have my own private sauna here right in this villa. Let me show you guys. This is the washroom, which has the shower and the other stuffs, but it also has a built-in sauna in it. Let's explore it. Here you go. It's already warm here inside. In a little while, I will be sitting in one of these bench and enjoying the sauna while overviewing the sky from this tiny little window. There is also another culture here that I've seen on the internet. People sit in the sauna for 10 minutes, warm their body, and then immediately go out and roll over the snow for a couple of minutes and again come back and repeat this activity a couple of times. I am honestly not sure that I'll be able to do that. I would love to do it, but let's see how the day goes. So this was the villa here at the Santa Claus Village, and I hope you guys would consider staying here. I would highly recommend. It is expensive, but it's really worth it. For now, let me go out because there's a bit of time left for the daylight. Before it gets dark, I would want to go and explore this beautiful park and show you guys. Let's go. Honestly, I didn't feel like leaving my villa because it was so nice and cozy inside, but we have got very limited daylight here available, so I better go and explore the Santa Claus Park and show you guys the activities which are available rather than sitting here. I have the whole evening to enjoy the villa, which I'll make use of it later. I'm walking now to the Santa Claus Park. The villas are not in the Santa Claus Park itself, but it's right next to it. It's very slippery. I was just about to fall down. So you need to be like really careful when you keep your foot on the ground in this winter when it's damn slippery. Anyway, let's go in and explore the park now together.